We're back on the How To channel. I'm showing you how ChatGPT is changing lives of everyone. Now, you can ask this language AI anything. It's the most incredible thing I think I've ever seen. You can go real simple, okay, and put a sum in there, for example. 345 times, let's just pick a random number, 45, okay, and it'll just answer it for you, okay? But guess what? A calculator can do that, right? Calculator can do that pretty quick. So that's nothing special for ChatGPT. What we want is to find out what it can do to excel our life. So, for example, let's get it, okay, to give me suggestions. So give me 5 good article headings for, let's go with, yes, benefits of press-ups. Okay, now you can put anything. You can put sit-ups, you can put star jumps, you can put anything you want, and it will give you the benefits of it. To extend this, you can actually write at the bottom, now turn this into a YouTube script, and it will write you a YouTube script video for that. Guys, this language AI is the most incredible thing I think I've ever seen. Okay, and I would love for you all to keep following this channel and actually see exactly how you can utilize this. Now let's go further, explain why press-ups are ultimate body exercises. And it will go further for you, okay? It's incredible, guys. You've got to get involved, but first what you got to do is like and follow this channel.